Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to change your name on Telegram. If you're thinking about updating your current display name on Telegram, then you've landed in the right place. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by launching Open Telegram application. Make sure you're signed into your Telegram account, and from the home page of Telegram, tap on the hamburger menu that you can see at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see an expanded menu appearing at the left corner. From the list of the options available, go to Settings and tap it on. From your Settings menu, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you'll be able to see an option that says Edit Name. Tap it on. Now go ahead and erase your current name. Make any kind of a change that you'd like to make on your display name for Telegram, and then tap on the tick mark at the top right after you're done. As you can see that I have successfully changed my display name for Telegram. It's quite simple, isn't it? That is how you'll be able to change your display name or simply update your display name that you're bored of on Telegram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.